Yo, what is up everybody? It's Marco and summer is officially here, which means scorching sun, melting popsicles, and if you're lucky, water parks. We're talking about the adrenaline rush of epic water slides, the refreshing splash of wave pools, and the sheer joy of being a kid again, even if just for a day. So grab your sunscreen, your swim trunks, and your sense of adventure because we're about to dive headfirst into some of the most epic water parks around the globe. First up, we're jetting off to Dubai, a city that does everything bigger and better, and Aquaventure Water Park is no exception. Imagine this, you're staring down the barrel of the leap of faith, a near vertical drop that shoots you through a clear tube, surrounded by sharks. Yeah, you heard me right, sharks. But hey, maybe near-death experiences aren't your thing. I get it. That's why Aquaventure also boasts a 2.3-kilometer lazy river that winds through the park, offering stunning views of the Dubai skyline. You can grab an inflatable tube, kick back and soak up the sun like a lizard on a hot rock. And for those who want to channel their inner speed demon, there's the Poseidon's Revenge, a water slide that launches you from 0 to 60 in, well, let's just say it's fast. We're talking twists, turns, and enough G-force to make you question your life choices. But hey, that's half the fun, right? Look, I'm not gonna lie, Aquaventure is a sensory overload in the best way possible. It's a place where the impossible becomes reality, where adrenaline junkies and sunbathers can coexist in perfect harmony. Just promise me you'll try the shark slide, okay? For the vlog. Next stop, we're heading to the sunny shores of Tenerife, Spain, home to Siam Park, a water park so epic, it'll blow your flip-flops off. This place is like stepping into a Thai paradise, with lush jungles, intricate temples, and enough water attractions to keep you entertained for days. But the crown jewel of Siam Park has got to be the Wave Palace. This massive wave pool churns out the world's largest artificial wave, a towering beast that reaches over 10 feet high. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or a total kook like me, you can't help but feel a rush of adrenaline as you paddle out and try to conquer this man-made monster. And if you're looking for something a little more intense, let me introduce you to the Tower of Power. This 92-foot tall slide will have you clinging to your swimsuit as you plummet down a near vertical drop before shooting through a transparent tube that runs straight through, you guessed it, a tank full of sharks. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Casey, why so many sharks? Look, I don't make the rules, I just film them. Besides, nothing says unforgettable vacation like staring a shark in the face while hurtling down a water slide at breakneck speed. Siam Park is more than just a water park, it's an experience. It's a place where you can escape reality for a day and immerse yourself in a world of adventure, excitement, and maybe a little bit of terror. Just don't blame me if you leave with a newfound fear of water slides. Alright folks, now we're heading back to the good old US of A, specifically to Texas, the land of BBQ, cowboys and Schlitterbahn. You bet. This water park chain has been a family favorite for generations, and for good reason. Schlitterbahn is all about combining classic water park thrills with a touch of Texan charm. What sets Schlitterbahn apart is its unique approach to water rides. Instead of relying solely on gravity and artificial structures, Schlitterbahn incorporates the natural landscape into its designs. We're talking lazy rivers that meander through wooded areas, water coasters that send you racing through the treetops, and even uphill water slides powered by, get this, rushing water. It's like Mother Nature and engineering got together and had a baby. And that baby is awesome. But let's not forget about the classics. Schlitterbahn has got your wave pools, your speed slides, your family raft rides, and everything in between. They even have a section called Blastenhof, which is basically a giant water playground for kids and adults who are kids at heart. Look, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Schlitterbahn can get crowded, especially during the peak season. But you know what? It's worth it. The energy, the excitement, the sheer joy on people's faces, it's contagious. Plus, where else can you experience the thrill of a water coaster and the relaxation of a lazy river all in one place? Pack your bags, we're heading to the tropics. Bali, Indonesia to be precise, home to Waterbomb Bali, a water park that's basically a tropical paradise on steroids. Imagine lush jungles, cascading waterfalls, and crystal clear pools, all surrounded by the sights and sounds of Bali. It's enough to make you want to ditch your phone, grab a coconut, and become one with nature. But don't get too comfy just yet, because Waterbomb Bali also knows how to bring the thrills. We're talking about the Climax, a slide that drops you from a height of 50 feet at a 60-degree angle. Yeah, you read that right. 60 degrees. And then there's the Python, a twisting, turning behemoth of a slide that sends you hurtling through the air at speeds that would make a cheetah jealous. And if you're feeling really brave, or maybe a little crazy, you can try the Smashdown, a slide that's basically a free fall into a pool of water. But hey, maybe you'd rather take it easy. No judgment here. Water Bombali also has a fantastic lazy river, complete with waterfalls, caves, and even a swim-up bar. Because nothing says relaxation like sipping a pina colada while floating down a river in paradise. Water Bombali is the perfect blend of adrenaline and tranquility. It's a place where you can challenge yourself physically, then reward yourself with some serious relaxation. Just don't blame me if you never want to leave. Our final destination takes us to Sicily, Italy, home to Etna Land, a water park that's like stepping back in time. Way back. We're talking prehistoric times, folks. Think towering dinosaurs, erupting volcanoes, and enough water attractions to make Fred Flintstone jealous. Etna Land is divided into two sections, the water park and the theme park. We're obviously here for the water park. But hey, if you're feeling adventurous, you can always check out the roller coasters and other rides after you've dried off. But let's be real, the real star of the show is the Crocodile Rapids. This whitewater rafting adventure takes you on a wild ride through raging rapids, past animatronic crocodiles, and even under a waterfall or two. It's a great way to cool off and get your adrenaline pumping at the same time. And if you're looking for something a little more relaxing, Etna Land has got you covered. The Jungle Splash is a lazy river that winds its way through a lush jungle setting, complete with waterfalls, caves, and even a few friendly dinosaurs. Just watch out for the T-Rex. He likes to splash. Etna Land is a unique and unforgettable water park experience. It's a place where you can learn about prehistoric times while having the time of your life. Just don't forget your camera. You're going to want to capture all the amazing memories you make here. So there you have it, folks. 5 of the most epic water parks around the globe. From the heart-stopping thrills of Dubai to the tropical paradise of Bali, there's a water park out there for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Grab your swimsuit, slather on that sunscreen, and get ready to make some unforgettable summer memories. And hey, if you happen to see a guy with a camera and a permanent look of terror on his face, come say hi. It's probably just me. Peace out.